Well, today we're making something that is absolutely delicious. Actually, Dagny's making it. You get 7 guesses as to what it is. What you're looking at is the new Vitamix immersion blender. The new one. This is an immersion blender on steroids. Just like the Vitamix. Okay, know what we're making? No? Okay. Here's the next clue. Colavita. Red wine vinegar. You got it yet? No? Okay. Here we go. The next one is basil. Have you figured it yet? Hello? That's 3 of 7 clues. Okay. Got it yet? No? Come on. Okay. What about this one? Garlics. That's 5 clues. You've only got 2 left. Come on, what are we making today? Fire roasted, diced tomatoes. Okay, what are we making? Last clue coming up. Okay, I'll put it right here on top of the garlics so you can see it. What is it? It's grilled red bell peppers. So we're making a roasted, toasted, grilled red bell pepper spread. See, I bet nobody guessed it. I should have charged for this one. Okay. So we'll be doing it. Since we had to look all over to find the Vitamix because Dagny forgot where she put it. It's going to be one of those fat hair days, I think. So, join us and see what happens.
Gonna be making marinated red bell pepper today. Gotta roast them and peel them and then...
Well, tell what you did so far.
So far all I've done is cut them up. And they are marinating in some Italian salad dressing. I give them a little head start.
She did that last night.
So
and today she will be barbecuing them.
Yep. Goes on the barbecue to get roasted and put them in a bowl. I put them in stainless steel bowl, cover them and let them sit for a couple hours and then peel them.
Peel them and then we can them.
And then they will be
They
canned.
come out fabulous. Well, Dagny is barbecuing these peppers.
Gotcha.
Actually, she's just searing the skins. You have one that you can show? Oh, yeah. Because the next recipe is marinated bell pepper and tomato spread.
Yep.
And I'm not sure I've done that yet. Stay tuned.
My new blender, immersion blender.
You're going to absolutely liquefy that.
I'm supposed to puree it.
So that's what she's doing with that.
I'm on medium speed. I've got it all cooked up. It's just finished boiling for 20 minutes. We're going to put it in half-pint jars. Water bath it for 20 minutes. And hopefully
Over there.
Yeah.
That's where the jars are in that can.
Yep, they are in my canner.
Okay, otherwise she's got everything ready.
This batch smells really good.
It does. Everything you make smells good. It's kind of overkill in the funnel.
What?
No.
I'd rather have overkill than underwhelmed.
Actually, I can't even figure out where the height is. I think we need another one.
You want to try that other one? That's looking good.
It's supposed to have a 1/2 inch head space. Is that a half?
Yes. I'm the man in the vinegar.
Ooh, look at those chunks of garlics. You can take some out if it need be.
Okay.
Dagny can handle these hot things. I cannot. I don't even have fingerprints. So,
Better under.
I'm going to turn this off. I'm sure you've seen 1,000 jars filled. Well, we made more than what the recipe said. I don't know why. Dagny is really right spot on. But we got the big canner filled with how many?
I have 6 half-pints in there.
And we got this special little job we haven't used yet. Oops. It's for little single jar things. So Dagny's going to put that jar in.
Yes.
Just lift that straight up.
Ta-da!
And away we go. Just line up the marks on that lid thing. Okay, folks. There is the finished product. Looks good. Our kitchen smells fabulous. These are so easy to make and have on hand. Well, thank you very much for watching.